Welcome dear students. In this video, uh, let us derive an expression for angle between the radius vector and tangent for a polar curve. This is a very important derivation. Taking the initial line O as the origin in polar coordinates, we call this O as pole in polar coordinates. Let us consider the polar curve r is equal to f of theta. Let p of r comma theta be any point on the polar curve r is equal to f of theta. For this curve, we need to draw the radius vector and tangent. Here OP is the radius vector which makes an angle theta with the initial line. Here theta, see here theta be the angle between the radius vector and the initial line. Theta be the angle between the radius vector and the initial line. Let us draw a tangent at point P to the curve. So here red line, see here red line is the tangent to the curve at P, which makes an angle xi, with the initial line, Let the angle between the radius vector and tangent be equal to pi. Angle between the radius vector and tangent is pi. See here, now we need to derive an expression or we need to derive an relation between angle between the radius vector OP and the tangent. We will denote that as angle xi. So here P is the point with the polar coordinates r and theta. From basics of differentiation, the tan psi, tan theta, tan psi, not tan theta, tan psi is the slope given by dy by dx is equal to tan psi. From basics of differentiation, the tangent is the slope given by dy by dx is equal to tan psi. Now, from the figure and basic geometry, we can see that the exterior angle psi is the exterior angle which is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Here interior opposite angles are pi and theta. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So from the figure we can write xi is equal to pi plus theta. Now taking tan on both sides, we get tan psi is equal to tan of pi plus theta. But we know that tan psi is equal to dy by dx. I will replace dy by dx in place of tan psi. Tan psi is equal to dy by dx. I will replace dy by dx in place of tan psi. As you all know that and the trigonometric formula, as you all know that from the trigonometric formula, tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Here in place of a, pi is there, in place of b, theta is there. Expanding this one, or dy by dx can be written as in place of a, pi, in place of b, theta. Tan pi plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan pi into tan theta. Call this as equation number 1. Since x and y are functions of theta, we can write x and y in parametric form as x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. See here, differentiation of this one with respect to theta is dx by d theta. Here two terms are there, r and cos theta. By product rule, r as it is, cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta, plus second term cos theta as it is, differentiation of r is r dash, where r dash is dr by d theta. Here r dash is dr by d theta, and here y is equal to r sin theta. Again differentiate this one with respect to theta, dy by d theta is equal to, again by product rule, r as it is, sin theta differentiation is cos theta, plus second term sin theta as it is, differentiation of r is r dash, where r dash is dr by d theta. See here dy by dx in terms of theta is written as dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Here d theta gets cancelled, remaining is dy by dx. Here dy by d theta is this one. See here dy by d theta is this one. Substitute these two values, dy by d theta and dx by d theta, in both numerator and denominator. We get this expression. Dividing each term of RHS, here four terms, here see here, dividing each term of RHS by r dash into cos theta. After dividing, if you do so, see here dy by dx, LHS as it is, here dividing each term by r dash cos theta, here dividing this one, you will get r by r dash, cos theta gets cancelled, plus sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, r dash and r dash gets cancelled. See here minus, or first I will write cos theta into r dash, here cos theta into r dash, here r dash into cos theta gets cancelled, remaining is 1. Here minus is there, see here minus r by r dash sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Call this as equation number 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2, see here equation 1 is this one and equation 2 is this one. Comparing these two equations, here dy by dx and here also dy by dx. Comparing these two equations, now we have to correlate the expression in terms of pi. Now both the LHS and RHS can be easily compared. So comparing LHS and RHS, see here, in place of tan theta in LHS, here also tan theta, here 1 is there, tan theta is there. In place of tan pi, r by r dash is there, r by r dash. The r by r dash, here r dash means dr by d theta, that means r divided by dr by d theta. Therefore tan pi is equal to r by d theta, means r into, if it goes to the numerator, it becomes r into d theta divided by dr, or equivalently we can also write cot pi is equal to 1 by r into dr by d theta. These two relations gives us an expression for angle between the radius vector and tangent to the curve. In the next class, let us see some problems based on angle between the radius vector and tangent for a curve. Thank you.